This man is on beat you. Stop the crying. Welcome to the vlog. Stop shouting, Najalia. Yeah, so that vlog was yesterday, but I'm continuing. So thank you for, if you like it, thanks. I don't know. Stop doing that. Is this a do something? I have an idea. Remember how I used to do everybody like friends of lyric, and now the people that my friends make up on my channel. I remember some of them more friendly. So yeah, so I'm thinking about doing that again. But if I'm going to do that, I forgot to make money from it. Come I think some could do makeup for free, which I could. Just like say, hey, you know, you could do whatever, but I have to make money from it. So I'm gonna charge $5,000. Oh my god, do it. I'm gonna charge $5,000. I'll be at a location, charge $5,000, and just work for the entire day. So I said me to have 7 people for the day. Right? Them 7 people there are gonna be 7 days of content. You pre the months, so no matter which video you're gonna get a tutorial. So I might take both of do a makeup look for every day in November, but it will be included in a vlog. So I won't and I'll have standalone makeup looks which just me alone, where we can do beauty and the Bible, or no step skipped, or get ready with me, or whatever. That will be with me, isn't me? But for the people them know, that will be makeup looks that will be makeup looks integrated in the vlog. That makes sense. So let's say I'm gonna do it on the 10th of November, right? I'm gonna charge $5,000 for the makeup for the day. They wanna have to come to the location. I'm gonna do the makeup then. You see me? There's only one place I can think of where I can do it that is air conditioned, but it's just the amount of people. I would definitely have to go by appointments, and I would have to charge if you are late. Yeah, not charge come on money, but when I put money involved, people no ramp with when money involved. So I'm gonna charge if you're late. Come remember say time now go plan. But I saw my meds still. Come on, so that's about content for November. So yeah, so that's the meds. Yeah, I feel good. I feel good. I feel good knowing that I am busy. I feel good knowing that this is a new month. Happy November! I just recognized that when this vlog goes up, it's gonna be November. Holy shit! November is here. Oh my god. Oh no, I have content to film with Namaste. Yes, I definitely need to get my lashes done, need to get my skin done, so I can film for that this weekend, because I don't have the boys this weekend. This weekend is going to be ravaged with content. I want you to know something. How you guys feel about a lyric after dark? Because I have a lot of stories, like adult stories I'd love to tell you guys. Yes, content, and because my journey is all not a secret. I don't mind sharing, especially like my sexploitations, because I feel like after a divorce or a separation, there's a sexual appetite that I had no idea existed until after I got into my shit. I was famished, okay, and I couldn't even understand. I was talking to my friends. I'm like, why? I'm just a juke down the world. What is happening? And she's like, no, yeah, that happens. And I want to explore that in a video. So this month, or should I keep all that content for February for next year? Because trust me, I'm gonna always have honest story. Because I seen one days. We usually have 2 years. Right, not even 2 years. We have on the road. It was a year. Not even 1 year. I'm on the road for the blood cleanse. Bro, I need to do a video about that. I'm going to do Lyric After Dark. So the Lyric After Dark videos will be uploaded at a certain time, but then when I watch it on a day, and then it's so okay, so all Lyric After Dark videos are going to be rated R. That's what I'm going to rate it, R. That's 18 and over, are restricted. Just gonna help you pull it. Wait, no, it's going to have to. No, look, stop. You have to pull off these. Right, exactly. That's what helped to keep it together.
So you pull it for me?
Yeah, I was, but then Jonathan said, "So come on the bed, now, Jelly. Let's pull it together." Wait, right here, son. You see this? You see them part here? Wait, let me see. Let me see. No, you don't pull it like that. You have to pull this. You have to take off the sticker. Yeah. Oh, God. Thank you. I was going to get it, you know. I was going to get it. And I said, alright, then when I get the next money, I can buy a pack. I'll be a one I have to buy. What? I not see no tampons again. My blood cleanse. My friend said, baby, I'm going to go on Amazon for that. Yeah. That one. Just relax on me. I'll leave you. Caleb sleeping, stop. 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 And a yours, you have that dirty nap. If you bar my big up, find the belt and beat to wake him up. You have that nasty habit. Anything Jonathan have it, you want it. The answer is no. This is yours. Cry. Please cry. This mag is unbeatable. Stop the crying. It is unnecessary and ridiculous. You cannot do that. You can't. When you bring in thing, you have to give him. You shouldn't do that.
That's all I get there for
For them something that make no sense with disciplining Terrace. None whatsoever.
Why you pull that?
I've been trying.
Jonathan's the one. That's yours. That is yours. Jonathan, so you prefer that.
To have somebody.
In my mind, there's only one way this goes. It's only one option. I gotta win. Yeah. I'ma lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I lead with gold, got these goals. One track mind, I'm in that mode. I must win, I won't fold. That's on everything that I know. That's on everything that I know. Came with work, I lead with gold. Aim and bust, cool and compose. I take your road and raise a toast. I'ma lead with go. Ooh, you can tell we ain't the same. They came just for trophies, I got impact on my brain. You know this goes so much deeper, but I'm not the one to blame. I'm the type to keep on pushing, all my losses turn to gains. Hold up, legacy over accolades, no price on my mindset. Came in as a prospect, I'ma lead with the whole contest. Seeing this in my head, got me feeling like a prophet. I outwork all my peers, that's trust in my process. Hold up. Hey, welcome my winners, I'm being a host. I'm hard and hustle from head to my toes. When it comes to work, watch them turning to ghosts. Boom! Yeah, they like to come up and run from the struggle. We hit the floor and they blowing the trumpet. I'm packing the punch like it's part of my luggage. You don't want no problems, don't.
So for this month, you guys, being November, I have content that I'm going to be doing with Namaste. And then, of course, I'll be continue working with Naru, and my aim is to just fill up this month with content, but with worthy content. You know, some of the stuff I wanted to do the last month I didn't get to do, I can do this month. I can do a what do you call it, like truth or drink or something like that. But that means that you guys gonna have to ask questions. I want to do something like that. Chit chat, get ready with me's. I'm probably gonna do those on location, like if I'm at an Airbnb or something, or if I'm at the hotel or something, I can strategize those. But the thing is, every single time I go to the hotel, I have the boys, you guys, and to film it is difficult because I only have the boys. I have mama, and that's how my mind think. My mind, once I have somebody that I know say I have to think about or take care of, it's difficult for me to just relax, you know. So I do have like a solo trip coming up, so I'm really excited about that. I'm excited about that one, and hopefully I can get some content. But based on the timing that I'll be going to the hotel for that time, I'll be burnt out because it'll be like right at the end of my November. How much days are it? April, November, 30? 31 days, except what? Is it 30 or 31 for November? Either way, I'm gonna be doing 30 something videos again. The sky is so sexy. Okay. Come on, sexy sky. Come on, Jesus. Yes, Lord. It's romantic. Thank you, Lord. And thank you, Lord. Good morning, guys. Come on, you guys. Before I woke up, I had a headache, still have it, because I didn't eat anything yesterday. Yesterday was really bad nutritionally. I didn't eat anything at all. I came home and I had pretzels. I was working so much, and then I recognized it that from my mind. I didn't remember whenever I was working, and I really had no appetite. But because I was just so focused on working. But today's the day we're gonna get our lashes filled, and we're going to leave my skin. Listen, one thing I don't like about lash extensions, I said this, but I'm going to clarify. Once you start, you can't stop. It's going to be difficult, but you know how I am. Oh, this girl looks nice. So it's diffused. But yeah, so the reason why is because, yes, take time. Caleb is sleeping. Good job, Papa. Take time. Caleb's sleeping here. Yeah, so, but you guys know me. I'm not going to let anything don't let Caleb sleeping. Like, who will make run me for now? You see my son? Yes, lash extensions. It's doing it for me now. Meaning, I'm going to be needing it. Let me help you. But, if I don't do it, I won't let it ruin my day. How things will typically ruin our day. If I don't do our hair, if I don't do our nails and stuff. So, just keep that in mind. Yeah, I feel like when things can distract you like that, like, yeah. It's not it. Okay. When things distract you like that, to me, it makes it seem weak. To me, because it means like anything can throw your life off. To me, innit? Oh God, I wonder if Boogie and blood cleanse, you guys. Boogie well in my nose, the last vlog. The one with Rihanna as the picture, yeah girl, Boogie well in my nose. I'm like, gosh. And for a short minute, I was embarrassed. I was like, everybody at Boogie, I said, them something to think about. And that's what people look for. That's what people look for when they watch like vlogs, like daily life. They want to see what's out of place. I didn't do it deliberately, and even when I was editing, we never see it because, as I said, some clips are talking and what I'm saying, so I just said move on. But I remember watching over that clip like, in the book. I don't know if I'm gonna look back, so I'm gonna go. So, but when I was sitting down and watching it on YouTube, I was like, exactly, boom. Yeah, Sundays for some reason are magical to me. There is this piece on a Sunday. Take time. It's on the wrong foot. It's wrong foot. You have to take it off. Don't do that. Take it off properly, please. So put it on. This? Yeah. No. This? Yes, Papa. Let me push it on. Let me fix it. No, I'm not taking it out. It stays in there. Mommy. Pushing the foot out. Put can't talk till you're asleep. Oh, wait, my Jaleel. Wait, lift out your foot, lift out. Push down your foot now. Yeah. Close cup, my boy. Your next foot now, my boy. Yeah. Come put the next foot. My boy. Stop. I'm gonna take it out. Take it off. Pull it. All that excitement for nothing. My appointment has been rescheduled for Nauru, so I'm going to take the boys to the barber today instead. So I'm going to see if he say I'm gonna do that by 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna call him to confirm, send them up, and then I don't think I'm gonna be doing my hair until Wednesday maybe, because I have content to film for Thursday. Oh, my nails so bomb. New month to start my piercings. Don't know if you guys know this. Boom. So this was gold, it changed to silver with a little diamond thingy. This is, first of all, Jaleel bite off my nose ring and bite off the ball. I don't know how it bite off. So I'm gonna switch it and then we switch this. I want to switch my Medusa, but I can't find the right piercing. I want to fill up back my holes. I will be re-piercing like all the ear holes I had. It was just really painful. So heading on the road. And so I'm never going to go to Nauru. Not going to take the boys to the barber. So I'm just going to do some errands and then get back to you guys. So look, see how I brush up my lashes, and they're nice and fluffed out. But this one is twisted. I don't know how to fix the twisted lashes. So I'm going to pop off that one and then hopefully still look even. I always love this. I always love my left eye. You get mine? You can't put back like that, don't you? It's really long. You can't put back that way. You should use a rag. When you come out of the park, we're going to the coach. Lie down in the coach. Lie down in the coach. Lie down in the coach. Sit down yourself. Finish the coach.
Swipe up. Tag your friends. Like and subscribe. Comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop. Wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral. Virtual this, virtual that. I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch. Yeah, we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit. I'm getting to with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour. All day. Me and my beats go sour. Looking good in PJs. That's my superpower. Growing out all my hair. Working on my self-care. This time we got rare. I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite.
It's the 31st of October and I couldn't sleep last night. I fell asleep this morning after 4 because I look at my phone at 3:45. I was still up. And then I woke up this morning and grandma waiting up 6:30. Excuse me. So I probably got 2 hours of sleep. I have a client today. She'll be coming to the house for her graduation makeup. And then I have the boys. Then that's it. The client this morning. That was it. My lashes are so janky.
But the sign says
Jonathan. Oh, you're watching the thing. Good job. Me. That one. Alright, relax. Relax now. Come, I gotta head back. So, see your juice, something there. Alright, one.
And I'll give you the brightest pink we have. Does that looks fun? Yeah, you have. Okay. Brian, I'm done.
Not hot.
Too bright. I want a lighter one.
It don't taste good.
This is so not natural. I need a new one. Oh, sorry. I thought it's sweet though.
Something in there.
Okay.
That's why I said you.
It's too late. I need like in between. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Stop. I don't want you to get mixed up. No, not you.
I beg you, your first love. Please. You said you wanted to do
Pulling it back.
I want my
All the way back.
I said. Oh, brace your cut. Sorry. Yep, done memory. I want a bob cut. Oh no, actually, yeah, I don't want bob cut. I don't want my hair cut actually.
Why you say you don't want to go over daddy? You want to stay with me?
Yeah.
You are staying with me.
I thought we have talked.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Ready, Jonathan?
Daddy will always put them.
Come, walk up. Go in front of me. Yeah, I don't care, Jonathan. I give you that, and people can be offended by that. And you have to have low. Listen again. People are offended by that, and you have to have low. You know if you want, none of your friends with you. That's how I want to remember some of us. So if you don't speak enough time, you can get really very irritated. But you're right. I do have a little attitude. I feel it for sure. Just really tired today. I never prepare. I didn't prepare something for you either. Like for school, I didn't prepare properly. Don't walk in the dirt. My shoes proper. No walk in the dirt. No. I said no. That's not weird. I'm gonna show some pictures of some homes with plants, bro. That's not weird. Again, remember? Yeah, we'll have a day pass. And you know what grandma did? Grandma got she got a weekend for Jal. Wait, stop, make sure go on. Good morning. Come. Yeah, no. Walk a little bit faster. Blow out, Jalil, what a jump.
Oh, them are going up from sea.
Yeah. Oh, run past, run, and I got smell of smoke. Run. Run, me say, I got stink of smoke. Alright, done. Alright guys, I'm back home now. So I'm dropping off the boy to school. It's almost 9. She's going to get here 4:09. I'm hoping that she does because I have other stuff to do. I have not slept. I'm gonna feel the miserableness. I feel it heavy. Jonathan asked me why I move so miserable. Mommy, why you so annoyed? And him annoyed. I asked me why I'm so annoyed. I'm probably there stressing. Mr. Jonathan, I'm sorry. I really think it's because I haven't slept. That's what I think. Alright guys. Later. Alright, so this is a test.
saw the signs, and it came easy. You took your time, like you never wanted to speak your mind. Would you believe